Next thing we're going to do is we'll just check if the device is still discovering when we click the list item. So BT adapter dot is discovering. We set BT adapter dot cancel discovery. And then what we want to do is, if it's paired, we want to go connect thread equals new connect thread selected device, and then we want to go connect.start. Now you're probably thinking, what the fuck is connect thread? If you jump over to Google and Google Bluetooth, come down to about 3/4 way down the page, you'll see this thing called a connect thread. Just copy that and bang that in down here. And before I go on and explain all that, we need to make a new array list. So array list of Bluetooth devices. Device. Oh no, in fact we don't need to do that at all, because we have that there. So what we need to do is we need to go Bluetooth device selected device equals. So I cut there because the set's quite difficult. I went ahead and wrote object array O equals device array to array. Okay, set there O arg2, which is whatever was clicked, and handed that selected device to this connect thread. What I did was I imported all these doohickeys here, and I created this method here, manage socket. Also I spelt this right because I spelt it wrong before. You'll see we still have one wee red dot here. It's because we don't have this UUID set up yet. So create constant UUID, and I'm going to hand a specific UUID that is the same for all, like things like electronic Bluetooth modules, and I think mouses and stuff all have the same one. If you're doing an inter-app one, you can make your own up. I suggest you probably do. Well, I mean, there's generators online. You don't just make it up, but 1101 000. So that's 4 zeros here. 100. So if you are planning on using electronics, once again use this UUID. Took me ages to find this, so be grateful that I'm giving it to you on a silver platter. Just double check that. 00001 4 zeros 1000 8000 00805 F9B 34 FB, and that's it. How's that underlined? Oh shit. Put this at the top, sorry. Make it public. And that should be good to go. So we've got a socket here. The device. Yep. I'll test that, see if it's working.